Hi friends, today we are going to see some silk anarkali collections. So yeah, this type and these are the other collections we have. So some limited collections with the limited sizes and designs. So we'll start seeing. So the first one is dark navy blue, dark ink blue with the musical instrument design. So yeah, this is a very beautiful musical instrument design, kalamkari one. So it comes with normal U-neck. So this is the overall look of the anarkali. It comes with the small red border with the human motifs here, and this is the musical instrument design. Very pretty and a beautiful one. Sure. So it comes with normal U-neck with backside doris. Half కి మడతేదాన్ని బ్యాక్స్ చూపించాలి కదా ముందుకి కొంచెం right. So it comes with normal U-neck with the doris. Hand pettu ikkada. So hand you will be getting elbow sleeves with the frills. So this is the hands you will be getting. So so this anarkali comes with the kallis. This doesn't comes with the frills at the waist. So yeah, this is the kalli cut. So this is the overall look. Dupatta. So for this you will be getting a lady motif dupatta. సరిగ్గా సరే కొంచెం పైకి లాగు షోల్డర్ దగ్గర పట్టుకున్నానుగా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద దుప్పట్టా యూ విల్ బీ హ్యావింగ్. పట్టుకో దుప్పట్టాతో పాటు పట్టుకో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఓవరాల్ లుక్. దుప్పట్టా యూ విల్ బీ గెటింగ్ హాఫ్ అండ్ హాఫ్ డిజైన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద దుప్పట్టా యూ విల్ బీ getting with the lady motif with the instrument print at the other half of the dress. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. The price of all this is 2250. This comes with the complete lining for the body. So for the first piece I am just showing all the details. So for all the other anarkali, so these are the details that you will have. So yeah, this is how it looks. Ink blue instrumental design kalamkari anarkali. Okay, price is 2250. Next one. Next one is a very beautiful yellow chakra. Open chai with the maroon color combination. Four sides. Right. It's a very pretty one. Yeah, this is how it is. This is a very beautiful design. This is the chakra design on the yellow background you will be getting, and the small red border at the bottom. Yeah, this is the overall look. Chunni pettu. So this also comes with the kalli cuts you will be getting. Okay, and normal U-neck. Right. ఇలా కనిపిస్తే చాలు సైడ్కి. Okay. So it comes with the normal U-neck. So in this we have another neck that is V-neck also we have, that I'll be showing the picture if you want. It will come with the elbow sleeves. For the dupatta you will be having the floral print and the peacock design at the center. So this is the dupatta. This is the overall look. So dupatta you will be getting nice up to 2 meters. Hands చూపిద్దాం. This is how it looks. కొంచెం పైకి పట్టుకో. Yeah, this is how it looks. Dupatta with the yellow chakra design anarkali. Hands like that I have shown. It comes with the elbow sleeves with a small frill at the end of the hand. And backside back neck U-neck with doris you will be getting. Yeah, so this is the overall look for the yellow chakra. Size em chudu. 42. So we have two sizes in this. One is 42 and another should be 40 probably. నా దగ్గర స్లిప్ ఉందా? సో ఎల్లో చక్ర ఏది ఎక్కడ రాశాడు? Okay, yellow chakra we have 38 and 42 sizes. Okay, price is 2250. Next. Next one is blue chakra. Same as that of the yellow chakra. We have Itanic blue. Royal blue chakra design. Open chai. Same as that of the yellow chakra. We have the royal blue chakra design. So all these are kalamkari silk anarkalis. So this is the chakra design for the blue anarkali, and this is the border with a small floral print. So the same U-neck you will be getting. Chuni betu. So this blue chakra we have two sizes. One is 40 and another is 42. Right, good. Patko. Shoulder దగ్గర పట్టుకోవాలి ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం పైన. So this is the dupatta you will be having. Dupatta print. In the middle you will be getting the peacock, and here you will be getting the floral design. Yeah, in the middle you will be getting the peacock design. Yeah, you can have a clear look. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, the price of this is also 2250. This is the dupatta part. So this is how it looks. Blue chakra, same U-neck, backside doris and elbow sleeves you will be getting, unlike the other one. Okay, next. Next is another beautiful combination, the eclipse peacock design. It's a very beautiful one. Open chey. It's a kind of unique print and color combination. In the eclipse you will be having the peacock design. Size jodu 42. The size of this is 42. So this is how it is. You can have a close look of the print. This is the close look. So at the waist you will be getting the kalli cut and not the frills. And this is the border it is. Yeah, this is how it looks. Chunni pettu. Yellow, red, blue. Okay, this is the dupatta you will be getting. So the peacock yellow border with the peacock uncolored peacocks you will be getting. So this is how it looks. This is the overall look, how it will look. Dupatta and the body color. So this also comes with U-neck. So this is the overall look, the final look, how it looks. The price of this is 2250. 42 size, eh? 42. Size of this is 42. ఇంకోటి ఉందేమో లేదా ఏమౌంట్ ఉందిలే. So this is 42 size. You can check for the size. Okay. Peacock eclipse design this is. Next. So the next one is full dyed color. Open jese. So in this we have three sizes. In this we have three sizes: 36, 42 and 44. Yeah, this is one of the best seller. Adi koncham handle avai mundiki. So this is the one you will be getting. So with the nice parrots border you will be getting at the bottom, and this is a burgundy, dark maroon burgundy color. Chunni pettu. So yeah, this is how it looks. This also comes the kalli cut. Yeah, that is the dupatta you will be getting with the bird design half and the parrot half. Yeah, this is how it looks. In this we have three sizes. 36, 42 and 44 sizes we have. Yeah, in the middle we will be having the peacock design for the dupatta, and the second half you will be getting the maroon with the parrot design. Hand ila body medake okati. So that is the hands you will be getting, elbow sleeves with the parrot and the small ruffle. So alonche, this is the overall look of the anarkali. Very simple and elegant, full dyed color with the designer dupatta you will be having. The price of this is also 2250. Next. Next is a very beautiful and a pretty one. My favorite, crane swan design with the cream color background. It's nicely complemented with the parrot green piping. Open chese. So cream swan design. Ante kocha kindaku pettu. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very pretty one. This is the swan design, and this is the border you will be getting. So all over you will be getting a swan design like this. So that's the bottom. Munduki back neck chubidam. So backside neck you'll be getting nicely complemented with the contrast parrot green piping. The sleeves you'll be getting like this, elbow sleeves. Okay, open this. Chunni pettu. So yeah, this is how it looks. Nice peacock border. Yeah, this is how it looks. Nicely complemented design for the dupatta also. Konchunni pike lag shoulder దగ్గరికి. హ్యాండ్ తిరగదమ్మా, షోల్డర్ ఎక్కడ, ఇంకా పక్కన. రైట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద దుపట్టా. This is the dupatta with anarkali you'll be getting. Yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2250. This is nicely nice print. You can see the print here. This is the overall look. The price of this is also 2250. కొంచెం ముందుకు పెట్టవా, ముందు పైకి చూపించా. Right. So yeah, this is how it looks. It is, I think, very good to take a screenshot like this. In this we have 42 and 40 sizes. Next. Next is also a very pretty color. Nice shiny sky blue Buddha design. Open say. Right. Yeah. How pretty it is. It's a nice shiny design. This is the border, peacock border with the orange color background. So this is the shiny texture you'll be getting. So for some of the sarees, depending on the color contrast, you'll be getting the texture. So this is the texture. So yeah, this is the overall look. The Buddha design, this is the border, and simple U-neck you will be getting, and backside with Doris hands to pinchu. So this is the hands part you'll be getting with small cute frill. Akarla chuni pettu. So the chunni is nicely contrasted, the dupatta, with the white, orange and the blue color swans and peacock. So this is the final look. Koncham paiki pettava inka. Right. So yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2250. In this we have 36, 40 and 42 sizes. So I'll just give you the look of the dupatta. So the blue here is contrast with the white color swans. So that looks more beautiful when blue and white are like complete contrast. So this is the dupatta, nice with orange, blue and white color combinations. Different color combinations, it looks beautiful obviously. So yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2250. Next one is even more beautiful. Atisemma. Yeah, with the red color floral. It's a very beautiful one. Open say. So in this red floral we have two pieces only, 40 and 42 sizes. Okay, most of the people love this. Yeah, this is how it looks. Cross tells kada central part. Yeah, this is the red floral print. So this is the floral print with the small blue color background. So this is the floral part and this is the blue border part. So So this is the dupatta you will be getting. So this is the dupatta with nice white and peacock's design you will be getting at the center, and at the bottom you will be getting the leaf design with white and green color flowers. So this is how it looks. So for this video, this is the last one. So in this we have 40 and 42 sizes. This is how it looks. Koncham pike pettu inka. So this is the final look with the dupatta and the anarkali. So yeah, the price of this is also 2250. So anyone who wanted to book, can they yeah, they can take a screenshot and they can book their product. So we have limited sizes and limited designs and colors. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can immediately book their dress. Yes, thank you so much. I'll quickly come up with the next video with some more collections and some more colors as well. Bye bye.